Well, hello, welcome to QuipCon. Thanks for stopping by to take a look at this Acme roll sheeter with the cutting station. There's the cutting station right there. Now I have a Long John cutter on there, which is just one that I use for testing. But we do have those available. We have Long John cutters and Bismarck and Donut, whatever you need. I'll probably have what you would need. So you can give us a call. Our phone number is 636-583-8200, and we can tell you if we have the one that we need. But the star of the show is the sheeter with the cutting station. This is all the side that you really don't have to do anything on, but I'll let you see that. Now this is one of the packages that the belts came in. It's got brand new belts right here. Now these are new. To adjust the belts, if the belt seems to be kind of working its way over this way, well, you just lengthen this side just a little bit, get it back on center, and that's usually all that it takes. And if it starts going the other way, well, then you lengthen this side or shorten this side so that you can keep it tracking down the center. We've got them adjusted. They seem to be tracking great, but you know, belts might stretch a little bit, so we always tell you how to do it so that you know down the road if you have a problem, well, that's how you adjust it. No big deal. All you need is a wrench. Okay, now to see that it works, we'll push the start button right here. Comes on. The cutter's rolling, the dough would be rolling underneath it, and of course you'd be cutting out Bismarcks. No, you wouldn't. You'd be cutting out Long Johns. If you were cutting out Bismarcks with this, that would be amazing. Got a stop button right here. Now, if you have a friend that likes to help you, well, on this side, we have a start and we have a stop button also. It's a good thing if you've got two people working it and somebody gets into trouble for some strange reason, well, they've got a stop button on this side they can hit. Great safety feature. Now this adjusts the pressure of the cutter. You can see there's little little fingers here that hold it down. And to relieve the pressure so we can change it, we open this. Now this is kind of something that whoever owned this did, and it's a great idea. We kind of redid it. This thing needed to be replaced, so we replaced that, but it is a good idea because it helps hold it down. Sometimes these things can kind of work their way loose and cause you a little bit of damage right in here, but they added this to it to keep it in place, and I think we might start adding that to all of the cutting stations that we sell because that is a very good idea. Anyway, you loosen this up, loosen that up, open that up, and out comes the cutter. It's that simple. Now you have just a sheeter. The belt here brings it in, goes through two rollers, the scrapers on them there, and it comes out on this belt. Now let me show you that those adjust, and that's really about all there is to it. We'll open this. It's very tight, and you can see that this one moves. Kind of hard to see in there, but you can see the roller going up and down. And we'll open this one, open this up. And you can see this roller moving. And it's right back in there. It's a little hard to see. It is moving. You can see the right there by the chain. And there it is. There you can see it. Now what that's doing is adjusting the thickness, so if you want it thinner or thicker, well, you would move this control right here, and this is for the first pass, and this is for the second. Very standard machine. I'd say that I have no idea how many there are, but there has got to be millions of these things out there, as many as that we've gone through. And they're not unusual at all. They're a very common type of machine. The one with the cutting station is a little more unusual. Most of them are a little bit shorter. They would only come out to here and they would just be a sheeter. But this one you've got the luxury of the cutting station on. And the in-feed belt. A lot of them don't have that. They just have a tray where you have to push it in. So that's a nice feature too. So this would kind of be what I would call the deluxe model. It's a lot nicer than a lot of them. Has a switch on both sides. That's a great thing. So if you need this or have any questions about it, give us a call. Our phone number is 636-583-8200. And you can go to our eBay store, which you can get there by going to www.quipcon.com.